So if you guys ever go to college, you need an extra lamp with your phone attached, or you're doing TikToks or anything you want, look at this. These are two goosenecks, right? Now, one of the great things about it is that this is a weighted, and this could be separated from the actual phone. It doesn't have to be in the actual lamp. The lamp is actually a remote. If you guys can see that, you turn it off and on, and you change the different light tones in it. This is heavy duty weight. I like this part. It's USB type A that you need to plug in to give you a long cord for it. All right. Now, like I said, these are goosenecks, and if the cable, there's a cable management in here if you want to tie it down. And then here, there's another one that you go flex right here. Like I said, removable, easy. If you're gonna have a dorm setup like here, perfect for students. All right, we got the power source here. You got the power on, and then you got different tones. So there's 1, 2, and then 3. And then you could also dim it down, plus, minus, and then go back to plus if you want. And of course, you got your power button here. So perfect LED light for your content creating or your dorm. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.